How supply chain management works. SCM involves coordinating and managing various activities, processes, and resources involved in producing, delivering, and distributing goods and services. This includes sourcing raw materials, manufacturing products, warehousing and inventory management, transportation, and customer service. The process begins with demand planning, where companies forecast their future sales to determine the amount of products they need to produce. This information is then used to plan procurement and production schedules, ensuring enough materials and resources are available. Once the products are manufactured, they are stored in warehouses until they are needed for distribution. CM also involves managing inventory levels to ensure that there is a sufficient amount of stock to meet customer demand without creating excess waste or tying up capital. The next step is transportation, where products are moved from one location to another, often through multiple channels such as trucks, trains, ships, and planes. Finally, customer service plays a crucial role in SCM by ensuring timely delivery of products and addressing any issues or concerns that customers may have. Don't miss out on enhancing your business acumen. Dive into our insightful exploration of supply chain management in our previous video.